Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Chris with the Home Dad. Today we're gonna figure something out, a little experiment. The last video I did, everyone pretty much in the comments are saying that being that this is a stainless steel outside, it's reflecting the radiant heat, and so I'm not getting a true reading on the outside temperature. We're gonna figure that out today with a little experiment. I'm gonna spray paint this with some high temperature spray paint, and then we'll do a retest. The East Oak, you can see, is a matte black. Outside heat rating on the outside temperature of this was over 400 degrees. I was getting under 200 degrees with this one. So we're gonna spray paint it with a little experiment and we'll retest. Let's get this thing painted. But first, I gotta make that thumbnail. All right, take two. This is a high temperature ceramic paint. Says this goes up to 2,000 degrees, so I think we'll be good. All right, I got it started up. I'm gonna let it burn for about 15, 20 minutes. Let it get nice and hot, and then we'll test the outside. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what the temperature rating is. 261 degrees. I stand corrected. It's starting to get pretty hot. Let's let it run a little bit more and see how hot it can get. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. 354 degrees. It was definitely the reflective surface that was giving me that low reading. All right, we're at 20 minutes. Let's see where we're at. 401 degrees. I think it's gonna continue to go up from there. All right, I've had a few days to think about this question that I know I'm gonna get asked in the comments. Does my opinion change on the Solo Stove, knowing that it gets over 400 degrees on the outside? And the answer to that is yes and no. Essentially, everything's the same. Performance, smokeless wise, how much wood it holds, and the heat on the outside. If I'm just gonna have it out here for a fire, and that's it, I'd just go with the East Oak because it's more affordable. Now, on the other hand, there's a lot of benefits to having a Solo Stove. Accessories, it comes with a bag, which is nice, and it does have better build quality. If you're one of those people that like getting all the accessories for these kind of things, then East Oak's not gonna be the way you wanna go because it doesn't have a lot of accessories. If you're looking to burn a fire on your back porch and that's all you're looking to do, East Oak. If you're looking to take this thing camping, cook over it, hit a heat deflector, yada, 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 then you'd wanna go with the Solo Stove. If you're wondering, what the heck did I just watch and why am I here? It'll all make more sense if you go watch this video right here. We'll catch you next time. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe.